welcome to my work. Let's start the race. It's 5 o'clock and Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He is riding down Van Ness Street and comes to a stoplight. A red Ferrari pulls out next to him, and the driver is wearing dark sunglasses. He looks over at Alan. Alan looks at him and realizes that the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom sneers at Alan. He says, "When the light turns green, let's race." Alan says, "All right, you're on." Tom says, "I'm gonna smoke you, sucker." Alan says, "You win. I'm gonna beat you and your sorry ass car." Alan and Tom wait at the light, and they rev their engines. Suddenly, the light turns green. Alan and Tom take off. They zoom down Van Ness at top speed. Tom is winning. But suddenly, blue and red lights appear behind Tom. It's the police. They pull him over. Alan zooms past Tom, laughing. He yells, "Better luck next time." Alan is the winner. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.